Scott, are you partying in Chicago?
Hey Scott, what's going on? Are you going to get
Step aside, guys. Step aside, please. Watch your feet. Watch your
Scott, are you
feet.
clean and sober?
Scott, how's the program going? Did you party or did you take it easy? No party?
Scott, are you partying in Chicago?
Scott, you can get Courtney back.
Are you clean and sober now?
You on the wagon, no drinking?
Are you getting Courtney back? Scott, come on.
You're gonna fight for the kids, Scott.
Put the rumors to rest, Scott.
You're giving up your Playboy lifestyle.
Are you clean and sober, Scott? Put the rumors to rest.
Scott, how's it feel to be sober now?
Are you going?
Did you come back
Feeling
for the
good?
show?
You're looking
with
good,
Courtney,
champ.
or are you truly going to get back with her?
Are you clean and sober now, Scott? Come on, put the rumors to rest.
No more
Scott.
partying it up?
People want to know.
You and Courtney get back together. You're gonna fight for Courtney.
You guys are back together again. Come on,
Come on,
Scott.
Good luck, Scott.